Error of omission example. Okay. Read this error and tell me the rectification entry for
Okay.
the same.
A cash payment of 2000 for purchase has been omitted from the books. So then added back to the books.
No. If it's omitted from the books, then how will you rectify this?
You have to enter the
You have
transaction.
to enter it into the books.
Yeah.
So what is the journal entry for this?
Cash payment.
Purchases debit and cash credit.
Yeah.
Purchases is
Purchase.
always debit. So it will be
Yeah. Cash
purchases debit, cash credit.
credit. Yes.
Now, read this.
A sale of 1000 to Carrefour has been posted to cold storage, Causeway Point.
Whom did you sell it to?
Carrefour.
Carrefour.
Okay, so this is the correct part. Okay.
Yeah.
What wrong did you do?
You posted to cold
Posted
storage.
it to cold storage.
So this is
Error
the
of
wrong that you have done. Is there
error of
any mistake
original.
that has happened in the sales?
No, there's no mistake that happened in the sales.
Can you give me the entry for credit sales?
Credit sales.
Sales are credited and Carrefour is debited.
Sales will be credited, and whatever is the name
Carrefour
of the person, the name of the
debited.
person will be debited. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Have you done any mistake in sales?
No.
No.
So the mistake has been done only in the debit part. Are you with
Yeah.
me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I will treat only the debit part.
Hmm.
Okay. What is the correct entry? Whom did you sell it to?
You sell it to Carrefour, so Carrefour debit.
Carrefour debit. What did you do? What is the wrong
You
that you did?
You did cold storage debit.
I did cold storage debit. Now can I reverse the wrong?
Yeah,
Okay.
cold storage credit.
It will be cold storage credit.
Hmm.
The
Rectification.
rectification entry will be a sum of both of this.
Okay, so Carrefour debit, cold storage credit.
So it will be Carrefour debit,
Cold
cold
storage.
storage credit. I need to see you doing it.
Okay.
Now this is error of principle. What is this error of?
Principal.
Okay, fine. Read the error.
Repairs to vehicles amounting to 3000 has been posted to vehicles account.
What did you do?
Repairs to vehicles amounting
Okay,
to
so
3000
this is
has
the
been posted.
correct thing. Okay?
Yes.
You have actually done repairs to the vehicle.
Yeah.
What is the wrong that you did?
You
You
posted to the
posted it to
vehicles.
vehicles account.
You have posted it to vehicles account.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the correct entry?
So vehicles account should be credited.
Correct entry. What
Yeah.
is
Repairs to
Repairs to
vehicles.
vehicles.
repairs is what?
Repairs is
Debited.
An expense.
yes an expense, so debit.
An expense is always
Debited.
debit. So I will debit the repairs. Correct entry would be repairs debit.
Yeah.
What wrong did I do?
Vehicles account debit.
I did vehicle debit.
Yeah. So vehicle
Reverse
credit.
the wrong.
Yeah. Vehicle credit.
Vehicle credit. What will be the rectification entry?
Repairs vehicle debit and vehicle credit.
What
Account.
did you say?
Repairs debit.
Repairs debit and vehicle credit.
Vehicle.
Repairs debit and vehicle credit.
Yeah.
Now let's look at this. What is happening over here?
A purchase of 2,100 from Poca Corporation Limited by Carrefour has been entered in the purchase journal and posted to the ledger as 2010. So it's wrong amount.
Can you
Error of
see?
original entry.
The purchase was for 2,100
Yes.
Yeah.
and you posted it for 2010.
Yes.
Hmm.
So there is an error which is of wrong amount.
Yes.
What is the error for?
Wrong
Wrong
amount.
amount.
Wrong amount. What is the amount? What is the error in wrong amount called?
Original entry.
Error of
Error
original
of
entry.
original entry. It is error of original entry. Now I will see what should be the correct entry.
Hmm.
Correct entry is always given at the start.
Yeah.
Purchase from Poca. What could be the
Yeah.
correct entry?
Purchases
Debit.
debit, Poca credited.
It is purchase debit,
Hmm.
And
Poca credit.
Wait, how do we know they purchased on credit?
Because it's an expense.
The name of the person is given, right?
Yeah.
Is there mention about cash?
No.
No. So it is purchase debit, Poca credit.
Okay. If there's a name given and there's no cash involved or written there. So
What did you put the amount as?
2010. Yeah.
So you purchased for 2,100, but what did you put it as?
2010.
2010. So you passed the same entry, but you passed the entry for 2010.
Yes.
Now what you're going to do? You're going to reverse the entry. So
So
if I
Poca
reverse
debit.
the entry,
Yeah, Poca debit.
Poca will be debit with 2010
Hmm.
and
And
purchase
purchase
will
will
be
be credit.
credit by 2010. Are you with
Yes.
me?
Okay, yes.
Okay. Now the rectification entry is a sum of these both entries.
How? Like a sum means like adding?
I'll show you, right? So first I will take Poca. Okay, I can see Poca where?
Yes.
So Poca has a debit of 2010
Yes.
and it has a credit of 2,100. Okay, so these
Yes.
are opposite signs.
Yeah.
These are opposite signs. So when there is opposite signs, what you will do, you will subtract.
Okay, so
If the signs are same, then you will add the amount. But the signs are opposite, so you will subtract.
yeah.
So it will be 2,100 minus 2010. So the
Yeah.
amount that you're getting is 90.
90.
Now can you tell me which side is more?
Credit side.
Credit side is
Credit
more.
side.
So Poca, the difference I will put on the credit side.
Okay.
Do the same for purchases.
So
Okay, so
purchases debit
purchases
is 2010.
Purchase I
purchase.
will take the up one. If credit is 2010
Yeah.
and debit is 2,100.
Yes, it's gonna be the same thing.
What is the
90.
difference?
90.
90.
90
Which side
debit
is
this
more?
time. Debit side.
Debit side.
Uh-huh.
So when I put the rectification entry, it will be purchases debit 90, Poca credit 90.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now compensating error. Compensating error is of undercast and overcast.
Yeah.
We won't do this. We'll do error of complete reversal. Come on. Complete
Wrong name.
reversal means what?
Wrong name.
Wrong name.
Debit as credit.
Complete reversal means
Yeah,
the
debit.
Debit is
is
treated as credit.
treated as credit
Hmm.
and vice versa.
Vice
Yeah.
versa. Yeah.
Yes.
The correct entry will always be on the first thing. So what is it? Payment of 700 to a creditor. Careful.
Yeah, okay.
Can you give me the correct entry for this?
Payment to creditor company should be debited to commercial. Alright, what is this?
What is the correct entry when you pay your money to a creditor?
When you pay your money to a creditor, so cash is going
So,
out.
so
Okay,
cash
cash is
no,
going out.
yeah,
Cash credit.
So cash going out, so debit or credit?
Credit.
Cash is going out,
credit,
so cash will be credit. What
yes,
will be debit?
With a credit.
Carrefour. So the correct entry is Carrefour debit 700, cash credit 700.
Hmm.
What is the wrong that you did?
The wrong that we did was to Carrefour's account and credited. Yeah, the entries are
No.
reversed.
Cash was debited and Carrefour was credited.
Okay. So the wrong that you did is you reversed the entries. Now reverse the entries in the wrong. What did you do? You put
Cash
cash
debit.
debit
cash debit, Carrefour credit.
and Carrefour credit. Now you reverse the entries. How will you reverse the entries?
So Carrefour debit and cash credit. Let's reverse in it.
You reverse the entries, it will be cash debit
And
and
Carrefour credit.
Carrefour credit.
How? But you need to reverse it. It's gonna be
Sorry.
opposite.
Sorry. It will be Carrefour
Cash.
debit,
Yeah, and then
Yes.
cash credit.
Carrefour debit and cash credit. Now the rectification entry would be a sum of these two.
Hmm.
Yes?
Yeah.
So when I'm talking about the sum of these two, Carrefour is debit once and it is debit twice.
Yes.
So debit and debit, what will you do?
Plus,
Debit.
You will add.
yes.
So it will
1,400.
become Carrefour debit 1400.
Yeah.
Again, credit and credit, what will you do?
Add,
Add.
Add. So it will be cash credit 1400.
Yeah.
Done.
okay.
With me?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Error of omission, one entry.
Okay. A cash payment of 2,000 for purchase has been omitted from the purchase account.
Cash payment of 2000 for purchases. The correct one will always be in the front.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
can you tell me the correct entry for cash payment for purchases?
Okay. So cash going. So the cash is going out, right? So purchase debit, cash credit.
So cash payment for purchases, what will be the correct entry for it?
Purchase debit, cash credit.
Cash credit.
Okay. Purchase debit, cash credit. What is the wrong that you did?
The wrong.
Purchase credit, cash debit.
No, read properly.
No.
The
You
wrong.
only did cash credit, you didn't do purchase debit.
Had been omitted from purchases.
Yeah.
So you forgot to record the purchases.
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you do in wrong?
You did cash credit and you didn't record
Cash
purchase.
credit.
Hmm.
What did you write?
Cash
Just
credit.
cash
What did
credit.
you write?
Cash credit.
Cash credit. Now look over here. You have already done the cash credit, right?
Yes.
So when you pass the rectification entry, I will not write cash.
Hmm.
Okay. The rectification entry of this I have taught you all. You will write what you did not do. So you will
Purchases
write purchase debit
and suspense
Suspense.
credit.
credit.
Yeah.
I have taught you this when it is partial omission, you don't do wrong reverse correct rectification. What will you do? You will pass the correct entry. What is the correct entry?
Purchase debit.
Purchase debit, cash credit.
Yeah, but they haven't mentioned
But you have
cash.
omitted purchase.
Yeah, so remove it.
That means purchase you have to record. So what is the thing that you don't have to record?
Cash.
Cash. So I will not do this because this is already done. And instead of cash, what will I write?
Suspense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come. I want you all to try this.
Okay.
You have correctly entered it in the cash book. That means you don't have to do anything with the cash book.
Yeah, okay.
So
So
talk
just
only about rates.
alright.
What
But
is
wrongly
rates for
entered.
you?
A rate is an expense account. So it's
Rates
expenses
is
debit.
an expense for you. An expense
Yes,
is
sir.
always
Debited.
debit. So the correct entry would be rates debit.
Yes.
How much?
With 210.
What is the wrong that you did?
Wrongly entered as 120. The amount is wrong.
What is this error called?
Error of the wrong amount.
Original entry.
Error
Yeah.
of original entry. What is this error called? Error of original entry.
Yes.
Now what is the wrong that you did?
Wrong amount.
So I did rates debit
Debit.
how much?
120.
120. Now let's reverse the wrong.
So rates will be credited this time?
Rates credit 120.
Yeah.
Now rate is debit once and rates is credit once.
So minus.
So what will I do?
210 minus 120.
I will subtract.
Yeah, 90.
What is the difference?
90.
210 minus 120, 90.
19.
Rates I will put debit or credit.
Rates you need to debit because
The
it's
one
the
that is
largest one.
more.
Yeah,
Credit
the one that
is
is more.
120 and debit is 210. So what is
Yes.
more? The debit is more. So the
Yeah, okay, let me
rectification entry would be rates debit.
let me just send you the answer.
Are you with me?
Miss, I did rectification made rates debit 90 and cash credit 90.
Suspense credit.
Okay, fine.
Are you
Miss,
with me?
it will be suspense because it's already added in the cash book now.
Cash book was done correctly, right?
Okay, fine. Yeah, I got it.
Rohel, are you with me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Let's take a past paper question.
Okay.
This is a question. I want you to do wrong reverse correct rectification.
Wrong
Miss,
reverse.
-1 now.
Come on, start. First one.
Okay. Commission received $390 was entered in the
stop.
cash.
The correct entry is which one?
Commission received $390.
This is the correct entry. You will always analyze the correct and the wrong first. What is the wrong that you did?
It was entered in cash book but not in commission received account.
So it is which omission?
Partial omission.
It is partial omission. So in this, do you need wrong reverse correct rectification?
No.
No. So you will direct do the rectification entry?
Yeah. So commission received के लिए entry is cash debit, commission received
Commission
credit.
received is what?
It's an income.
Income is always
Credited.
credit. Now you have done error only in the commission received. So when you're rectifying, you will not touch the correct part.
Yeah.
You will rectify only the commission received.
Hmm.
So you have not entered in commission received, so how will you rectify?
You will write commission received credit and suspense debit.
Commission received credit 390 and suspense debit. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, understood.
Okay, Farhan. First identify the correct and wrong.
Okay, so 400 paid to Mark, a supplier, had been debited into the Merck
Which is the correct
analysis.
entry?
The correct entry is 400 paid to Mark.
Okay, fine.
Like,
Now what is
so we
the
don't need
wrong
to record
that you
that.
did?
He actually accidentally recorded it to Merck, which is another supplier.
What did you do?
Had been debited to the account of Merck. So that's a
So
wrong
you
part.
debited to the account of Merck. So
Yes.
there is only an error in the name.
Hmm.
What is this error called?
Error of commission.
Error of commission.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. When you pay to Mark,
Yeah.
what is the correct entry should be?
Mark debit
And
and Merck credit.
correct entry should be Mark debit.
Yes.
Credit would
But
be cash because
yes.
money is going out.
Yes.
But you have not done any mistake in the cash part, have you?
No.
No. So I will not write anything.
Hmm.
What is the wrong that you did?
Merck as debit.
Wrong you did is Mark debit.
Yes.
What will you do in reverse?
In reverse, Merck as credit. So Mark debit and Merck credit.
So the rectification entry will be
Mark debit, Merck credit.
Mark debit, Mark credit.
Yeah.
Rohel, your turn.
Yeah, the purchase of stationery through check $20 was
Can you
credited to the
see the
cash
correct
book.
part?
What?
What is the correct entry over
There's no correct entry because the purchase
No,
of
then
stationery has been created.
the first part is always the correct part.
Okay.
So what is the correct part?
Stationery, no. So purchase stationery will be purchases will be credited. So that is the correct part.
Think properly. The first part is the correct part. So this is the correct part.
Okay.
So what is the entry to purchase stationery through check?
So stationery will be debit and purchase will be credit.
Stationery would be debit. And money
Yeah.
is going out, right?
Yes, so it will be credit.
So bank would be credit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is the wrong that you did?
Yeah, it was credited to cash book and debited to purchase account.
So that means which error have you done?
Complete error of complete reversal entry, I think so.
You have done error of complete reversal. Now first give me the correct entry.
Okay, so correct entry will would be stationery debit and purchases will be credit.
I just told you.
Oh, sorry, bank will be credit.
Money is going out. Without involvement of cash or credit, there can be no transaction.
Okay, so it will be bank credit.
What is the wrong that you did?
It was credited to cash book
That
and
means this
debited.
part was done correctly.
Yeah,
So I will not do that part. Okay?
yeah.
And it was debited to,
Purchase account.
so the wrong that you did is you debited to which account?
Purchase account.
How will you, now what will you do?
Purchase will be credited.
Purchase will be credit.
Yeah.
And rectification would be,
Stationery debit and purchase credit.
stationery debit, purchase credit. Ashita,
Cash sales of 2000 had been paid into bank account but
stop.
not been posted to the
This is the
sales
correct
account.
part.
Cash sales of 2000 had been paid into bank.
What is the wrong that you did?
That you did not pay it into sales account.
Okay. That means this is error of,
Partial omission.
in partial omission, will you do wrong reverse correct rectification?
No.
So what you did not do? Where did you not post it?
Sales account. So the rectified will be sales credit and suspense debit.
And suspense debit. Have you all done this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Have you all done this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll teach you how to prepare a suspense account.
Okay.
This is your rectification entry. Can you see?
Yes.
I will teach you how to prepare a suspense account. You will take all the rectification entries into consideration and
Okay.
you will prepare a suspense account.
Okay.
So I'm putting the rectification entries in. Okay?
Yes.
And I'm making suspense account. When you're making suspense account, you will always think from the point of view of suspense. Which point of view you will think from?
Point of suspense.
Suspense, 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 suspense. Now see over here. Suspense is
Debit.
suspense is
Debited.
suspense is debit. So on the debit of suspense, you will write this amount 390.
Okay.
And in suspense, I will never write suspense. So I will write the opposite account, which is commission.
Commission.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
And always leave the first line empty. Come on over here. Suspense is
Debited.
Debited.
suspense is.
Debit.
Debit.
If it's debited, so I will write it on the
Debit side.
debit side of suspense. What will I write?
Sales debit.
Sales.
So I will write 2390. I will write 2390. And on the credit side, I will write difference in trial balance.
Miss, we forgot station. Oh, okay, fine.
Is there suspense over there?
No, sorry.
You will think from which point of view?
Suspense point.
Suspense point of view.
Done?